That one also, it still had a misfire in cylinder 1. Even though I swapped out the boot for the old one. Let's check it out. See if it turns. Dude, it just... I didn't even put pressure on it. What? Oh my god, it's loose. Okay, it's already set. Doesn't move anymore. So, let's go check it out and put the boot back on. And we'll start it up. Maybe because of that? I don't know. We're about to find out. There you go. Let's get this boot reconnected. Okay, let's fire it up. Okay, so now it's not shaking and making that sound because it was the spark plug. This was the problem right here. Look at that, it's not even making that little ticking sound. I just replaced it with a new spark plug and it's not even making that ticking sound no more, dude. So that was the problem. It was this fucking thing. Look at that, you don't even hear the... Oh my god, finally. I already cleared the code for the misfire and I'm gonna throw this junk away. But look at that, no sound whatsoever. Quiet. Wow, no shaking, no nothing, man. So it was this fucking junk. Jesus. That's crazy. Like nothing ever happened to her.